Hile all in the radio kuhuma wong kuliang wan tagi kan shamwang kipfa being classion te ngun zonyo ro bin sulati so joloda mahi zuchi hilo seple sushti gritinte jolokang chanda National Human Rights Commission le bounded labor danginyu katasha kashan kishipe Center State Law Union Territories dan tshibi Armed Forces Special Power Act yemil titako hemfon tatse kishilan ran hikathe mega people relay tle bintiabi WHO le COVID-19 vaccine tle Omicron variant koho kagenkwe kathe kinlun ran rusakabi tsoshe jolophu sagazanshti National Human Rights Commission NHRC le bounded labor dangenyu katasha kashan kishipe Center State Law Union Territories da tshibi State Law District henyu takathe tsno bimekam ph mle industry tishikathe shopping mall call center lo massage parlor bindanga apu lotothe kabinyu dane wongkho tho lotothe ka he tsoshe commission le state surkari Law Union Territories dano kakwen thiolo shigabin dan tsu shin real bounded labor thonyu tsu kanilun ran hishibi NHRC le state surkari dano kanrunyu kateka tsu dawadara dan kipe thiolo shigabin kakwen dan kachesh moloka shi tsu zoshe katasha kishika shi nyu tsu NHRC le district ku ka sanyu dano mchmulu ka thenyu hosh ka shi da kansing kan shwe lo kateka tsu shin rishin ran tsu zoshe NHRC le center no e-sharam portal nyutsu informal worker da zangathu bingun rantsi hishbi Naga Student Federation NSF dane Armed Forces Special Power Act yemeti takoi hemfon tatse kishilan ran higathe rele tle sanduki all MLA hostel junction kuhima nyu nyenyu tagi tsre me kavaka nyu binsoti ndu kuhima nyu NSF president kawahun tep le press conference wongkhuga relen do kabin hile naga kachilwa dane katakhi tanogun re kabin tsu nchung kabin lo kuhima nyu hungabin Katsilwa tami lisakasinyo da apino rele hi kacho binshimolo kashe zihishe Rele Rishikabin Committee Convener Vipopol Kinzo le Rele Hile Oting Incident Nyutsubion Armed Forces Special Power Act Ntsungabin lo Gekala Wonko Nyu Ai Naga Katsilowa le Higenyu Kanjinte sa gun rekala tsoshe Rele Hile All MLA Hostel Junction Kuhuma Nyu Nyenyo Tegitsare me Kavakatse bin soti Zon Riro Kazme Bingalo Siki Rele Theo Rash Bava Nyutsu Gyo Memorandum Kipe State Ang Kanyu Kadagian lo Ato Kilonser Tsashiti World Health Organization WHO le COVID-19 vaccine shinri kagunga vaccine hile Omicron coronavirus variant kagunga the kinunra rusakabin tsoshe Omicron kinunra genyo data kachon kison shakawathulumlo kashle kabin WHO le zoshe WHO le April shaka dominant delta variant kikope variant of concern thega shasiki gritsinthyo GSAT Global Science Database new delta sequence thekalo le higa hata new tsu sakabin tsu zosinse ndu instead new covid result titsoro tsore hikolo new tsu covid positive case ka shan tanoma lo covid genyu tamis kasi tsugo tanoma ndu instead new covid ko hokapnyo mishan dane walo chon ko hopfakabin le mi henta tse takwe mfaso ndu kati le instead new covid positive case apu kasine ye shinre ko mu tsio hensero me lo covid genyu sikala le titsoro henta tsio pazi coronavirus Omicron variant hile mesate kagen kabin lo vaccine mfa le variant ka shan hi kinum kabin genyu State Health and Family Welfare Department le tweet new katilwa tamidano patsbion yo mankara fazin lo tamizon kantiong bimlo kash tsihishbin University Grant Commission UGC le taninyu candidate dangenyu maternity leave lo child care leave wangwa MPhil mai PhD course lo tse wongkhuka Jean Ziho Henzi kipetsen ran doshbin UGC le katasha kishikashinyo higher education institution dano taninyu maternity leave genyu institution law affiliated colleges dan genyu tajr dan tse thushi law undergraduate law postgraduate program sgabi tanyu dan genyu attendance law exam form kipe ka shjon dan tse thogathani pe chen ran tse tinjan shibin ntuya covid-19 kampang genyu liska dane kingun rekala genyu center le ntsanyu liska nyu azang kabi nyu aphu midday meal kipe tsmo kanya dan tse reimburse tepe DBT 纽收 allowance 基本利息个使用，这纽啊批这个病，这就是对 Raja Sabha New State for Education 基隆市 Annpurna Devi 嘞日本做做个那个使用利息个的呢，听个那个 New State 咯 Union Territories 啊批嘞，建议混基面咯，基面基公混个 New DBT 纽是 dry ration 等基本这纽利息个使用啊批这公人个病，这但是个字咯个帮个你啊批个使用 DBT allowance 基本这个病基隆市嘞做新事。Hagune All India Radio Kuhima New Jolokatasha Dani Nilobin Confederation of All Nagaland State Service Employees Association Kense le Head of Departments HOD Apu Lo Drawing and Disbursing Officer DDO Dano Finance Department Office Memorandum Tenzo E-Bill Pay Bill Todre Kipe Shasanun Ranse Hishbin Kense le Takingi January She Kati E-Pay Bill Todre New Shinjong Kipe Katsu To Zele Bim Ranse Zoshe HOD lo DDO apuno mesache finance department dane wongkho thogashi zogatsu PIMS mai e-pay bill system zi update thewe zilao sorkari lo tho thega binyu dano shinjong lo allowance dan zi wongkho tonyu kisanlun ran zi kense dane hishbin ndu Dimapur district ko ka sanyo dane national highway Purna Bazar kagunge Jumukidima town ka tizoga telecom cables da tamikan singan she kata khigabin dan zi apu abinka ge shin rail cables from dan kishika te fast kariga zbin solaso ESC Jomikadima ratsenyu de kishik pe telecom service providers da apitso no telecom cables tami katakhi kabin dan z kishilan ra zoga shasiki John Shenre pangla genyu district ku ka sanyu dane cables from kishika bin tho zbin solaso ku ka sanyu dane telecom low internet service provider apino second phase shinri ka the bin so kam cable run dan zi ka tsangkala lao mloka shi zi hishibin Guyuma Deputy Commissioner Gregory Tijawale le katasha kyushi ka shinyo New NST kagunge Rotsa Bakery kati zoga no parking zone bingung kore tsle wongku katsum zo genyu ndu kyushi la so zo lonyi tagi tatse kavaka gunge ngwan tagi tsanye kavakati zoga gari dan parking thelwa New NST kagunge Kuchizi local ground North Gate via Razu Point danka kanyu karun reshe ka the lo fitting ka the dan tsa apu no ngwan tagi tsanye kavaka gunge lonyi tagi tatse kavazoka panam lokash tsata shashbin Chairman of the subcommittee to examine the Nagaland Assembly border issue Manthan Yanthan le ishe jong ki new assembly session pangla siga Nagaland Legislative Assembly Secretariat Committee Hall new minutes rep subcommittee ka kanthom bin ran cha koshbin Chairman le subcommittee members apino ka kanthom new bin shlo che hishbin India le COVID-19 vaccine dose court ziwe hemfan salon ran do ka binyu jolonya coronavirus ka shan chure ka bin so ka shi ziko nrusa che shinri mulo shi wongko hiwonche ka bin hinyo jolonya ka bin apu vaccine ki salon mulo shi mfu nka tsang nshin she zo bimulo shi lo azi mankaram fazi mulo shi covid katasha ginyu kantoron 0 me kung kanshan ta kwe tsanyin ta tse 0 pazi tsaro lo me ta tse 00 kanshan pazi pun 00 me ta kwe hinyo hi kotso katsulwa ntu shagalo jolole hikati ntsoka jolo khui choir danga Christmas le theka shi tsiniloti